According to Ice Universe, new Samsung Galaxy S24 variants may include titanium frames and larger displays when they launch early next year. To begin, the Galaxy S24 Ultra variant may employ titanium for its side rails, as IU ultimately clarified after originally releasing just a graphic of the periodic table. Titanium, due of its great strength and low weight, is a good material for luxury cell phones, at least in principle. Apple seems to agree, since the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max are expected to gain titanium frames later this year. The flip side is that titanium is pricey, with a matching price increase expected for the iPhone 15 Pro range. While it is lighter than the stainless steel used on Pro iPhones, it is still heavier than aluminum, a typical material for phone frames. For many years, Samsung has made a great deal out of its light yet robust armor aluminum smartphone shells. As a result of the use of titanium, the Galaxy S24 Ultra may be substantially heavier than the current aluminum-clad Galaxy S23 Ultra. That wasn't the only thing Ice Universe had to say to us. He also claims that the Galaxy S24 Plus will feature a bigger display, going from the 6.6-inch screen seen on the Galaxy S23 Plus to a 6.65-inch panel. A bigger display might imply a larger body for the S24 Plus, which could imply a larger battery or additional room for other features that Samsung may wish to include. Currently, the S23 Plus differentiates from the basic Galaxy S23 in display size, battery size, minimum storage capacity, and charging speed, so adding some additional features lifted from the Ultra versions might help separate the mid-sized Galaxy S phone more from its tiny sister. We haven't heard anything about other Galaxy S24 series updates. According to rumors, we could expect quicker charging, the same selfie camera, at least in terms of sensor, and maybe the reappearance of Snapdragon and Exynos variants depending on where you purchase the phones. If Samsung adheres to its typical schedule, the Galaxy S24 series will be released in February of next year. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.